We've shown you guys some videos of us cooking and thought we might as well show you what we're using. We have over here the propane stand for the device that we use, the pan. Yes, we store it here in our propane bin. Got a lid, I can't recall where we got it.
Same place.
And this is called a Southwest disc. It's a converted PlowDisk with handles welded on it, and it distributes the heat just like any other cast iron device. And this is where we turn raw food into magic. So I noticed in our videos that I hadn't been able to hide my muffin top. So from now on, I'm just going to start doing these videos shirtless. Here goes.
Cut! Cut!
We wrap the handles with this heat resistant tape because the rings do get pretty hot, and as you can see, it's a PlowDisk. We're told that they punch a square hole in a real PlowDisk, so they must get these before they've been used on the farms, I guess. So, but other than that, it's just a thin piece of cast iron. And we tried twice with both RVs to hook our, the propane supply to the RV, and it's just too low pressure. This regulator says it's 10 psi, and apparently you don't get that much off of the RV regulator, so it's best to use their equipment. Okay, I was convinced not to take my shirt off, but I can't resist. But I can't resist.
What a lot of you don't know is that we rarely, and I do mean rarely, cook inside. Almost all of our meals are cooked outdoors. Today for dinner, we're gonna saute some bell peppers and onions, and then some zucchini. Zucchini's getting chopped up. I only use a smaller paring knife for all of our food prep. I do use a bigger knife for the pet food. We're also using chicken left over from dinner last night. Much of the onion and bell pepper is put away for the next meal, and I still got one zucchini left. To use up our leftovers.
Do it all together. Not very ceremonious, was it? Is that stuff supposed to be frying like that?
It does when we cook it. There you have it. I like a little cheese on mine. Jimmy does not.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this crap, hit the subscribe button. Let's see, what else you tell me to say? And you can hit the bell. Some people say do that for notification. Either way, cheers.